Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Greek dressing for salad. Whisk 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 clove minced garlic, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper to taste until emulsified. Taste and adjust acidity with more vinegar or lemon, and add a pinch of sugar if needed to round flavors. For a consistent dressing, always measure oil and vinegar to keep the right balance and prevent separation. Use fresh lemon juice for brightness and grate garlic finely to avoid harsh bites. If using feta or herbs, fold them in at the end to preserve texture, and store any extra dressing in a sealed jar in the fridge for up to 1 week for quick salads. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and give the video a like. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, confident scent that reminds you of a clean kitchen after making salad. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want a little aromatic boost while you cook. Now let's get back to the video. To vary the dressing, whisk in 1 tablespoon crumbled feta for creaminess, or add chopped dill or mint for a fresh twist. For a smoother texture, blend briefly in a mini blender. This dressing pairs well with mixed greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, and red onion for a classic Greek salad, and it also works as a marinade for grilled chicken or vegetables to extend its usefulness beyond just salads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.